Have you ever looked at your life and thought, I'll start tomorrow? I have plenty of time? Well, let me tell you the story of a young man named Suraj who thought the same. But by the time he realized the truth about time, it was too late. Suraj always had big dreams. He wanted to be successful, make his parents proud, and live a life that others would envy. After completing his degree, he moved to a new city to study further. The excitement of chasing his dreams filled him with energy, and he thought, I'll work hard, become a big man, and soon I'll bring my parents happiness. For the first few months, he stayed focused, but slowly, things began to change. He saw his friends enjoying life, laughing, going out, while he was stuck with his books. They seemed carefree, happy, but he stayed committed to his studies. Yet, despite his dedication, he couldn't get good marks in his exams. It was as though something was always missing. One day, after finishing an exam, Suraj realized he had a break of 5 months. He thought, why not enjoy a little? Everyone is having fun, so why can't I? Little did he know, this was the moment when his habit of postponing things began. He started watching movies with friends, scrolling through Instagram, and spending time doing everything but studying. At first, it felt harmless. Just one day, he told himself. But soon, it became a habit. He would try to study, but distractions were everywhere. His phone, his friends, his tiredness, all of it pulled him away from his goals. Whenever his parents called, he would get emotional and study for a few days, but then the distractions would creep back in. The cycle continued. Days turned into months, and months into years. The promises he made to himself about working hard, achieving his dreams, and making his parents proud seemed distant, almost impossible. Time slipped away, and Suraj didn't even realize it. He had become comfortable with procrastination. When the exam dates came closer, he would cram, but it was always too late. One day, as he was watching another movie with friends, he realized it had been 4 years. His parents, who had always hoped for a better future for him, were still waiting for him to succeed. But nothing had changed. Every time he took an exam, the result was the same: failure. His parents still dreamed of him getting a government job, but Suraj was stuck in a loop, unable to break free. He kept thinking, once I get the job, I'll take my parents to places they've never been. I'll give them the life they deserve. But he never stopped wasting time, always making excuses, always waiting for the right moment. Then one day, his phone rang. The voice on the other side, trembling and emotional, told him, Suraj, come home quickly. He rushed back, only to find out that his father had passed away. His world shattered in that moment. Suraj couldn't speak. His mind was filled with guilt, regret, and anger. How could I have wasted so much time? How could I not have made my father proud? He asked himself repeatedly. He wished he could turn back time, but he knew he couldn't. All the dreams he had, all the promises he made, seemed so far away now. As he sat there, tears in his eyes, he realized that time doesn't wait for anyone. I wasted the most precious thing in my life, he thought. I took my time for granted, and now it's too late. Suraj's story is a warning. Time is something we cannot buy, we cannot get back. Once it's gone forever. He learned that procrastination, distractions, and the habit of putting things off can cost us more than we realize. If we don't respect time, we will find ourselves standing at a place we never wanted to be, regretful and wishing we had done things differently. The moral of Suraj's story is simple. Don't waste time. It is one of the most valuable things we have. Use it wisely, work hard, and stay focused on your goals. Don't let distractions control your life. Make your dreams a reality, because time won't wait for you. Remember, the best time to start is now. Don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Time is the one thing that once gone never comes back. So use it wisely.